Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to draw to your pictures on the printer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your homepage by tapping on the printer icon, and after that click on Photos, which is in the second column. Select a picture, tap on the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the Edit button in the right side corner down below. Click on Draw Tools. Tap on this pencil icon that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Select a tool from down below. You have a bunch of options, highlighters, pencils, pens. You can select their color here. You have the highlighter option. You can select the size of your tool and then start drawing. If you are done with your drawing, you can also get rid of it by this eraser icon, and you have this ruler as well that you can position and have it to guide your drawing. So if you are done with it, click on the Done button in the upper left corner of the screen, thereby being able to print it out by clicking on the Print button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.